Chapter 1, Sloka 11. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu, ayaneshu cha sarveshu, ayaneshu cha sarveshu, yatha bhagama vastithaha, yatha bhagama vastithaha, yatha bhagama vastithaha, ayaneshu cha sarveshu, yatha bhagama vastithaha, अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः 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 भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु 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 भवन्तः सर्व एव हि भवन्तः सर्व एव हि भवन्तः सर्व एव हि भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु 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 भवन्तः सर्व एव हि अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.